Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. I am going to be sharing some new items that are releasing today from Kellofaplan. I'm really excited about this release because it is a half sheet release. I love half sheets, using half sheets in my planner, but this one is fun and unique because it's basically you being able to create your own little half sheet planner. So I love that. There's options for covers. I have one of the cover options here. There's options for discs. So I have one of the disc options, and I think I received all of the half sheet options. So I'm going to show you all the things, put together my new little half sheet planner. And yeah, I'm really excited to set this up. So if you're interested in purchasing this, it is currently available right now from Kellofaplan. So check out the website. I have my affiliate link down in the description, and pick up one of your own little half sheet planner. Okay, so I think I'm gonna first start with let's do the cover first. Okay, so these are the discs and the cover, so I can kind of put that together. These are the discs. They are rose gold metal discs. Okay, so I got the top off, and these are metal rose gold discs. So I'll be putting these on this little half sheet cover. Okay, so put that aside, but there are different options of colors. If you want something other than rose gold, there's other options too, so definitely check the site to see all of those. And then I have the half sheet cover here. So this has the cover and then dividers in here as well. Okay, so let me open this up. Okay, so here's the cover. It's a really pretty purple pink cover. And then inside has these stripes with the coordinating colors for this theme. And then we have the dividers. So here's the first one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, so it looks like 8. Oh no, there's more than that. There's a lot of dividers, so you can really make your own little sheets in here, or put all your sheets in here. Okay, so those are the covers. Okay, so covers and dividers, which you can put the discs on here. I'll just pop the discs on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's enough discs if you were to have a big planner, like a big size planner, that you could use these remaining 2 discs to fill that planner. So I like that this is a full complete set of discs on this one, but we only need 9 for a classic. Okay, and then I'll figure out how many dividers I'll actually need once I get to the setup of all the sheets. But first I'm going to go over the sheets, but you can kind of see the planner coming together, the half sheet planner coming together so far. All right, so let's go over the sheets. So first up we have Daily Plans half sheets. Okay, so let's open this up. All right, so here, I moved it up a little bit closer so you can see it a little bit better. But these are daily sheets. So you have today's date, where you can mark the date, must do, should do, want to do, today, and then a little checklist here. And then the back has another side for a daily. So there are 50 sheets in here. So that means you have 100 days if you use dailies every day, 100 days worth of dailies in this half sheet pack. For me, usually I like to use these kind of sheets on really busy days. So I would sparingly use them throughout the year, but that is the Daily Plans half sheets. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, this one's a workout one. This one is a fitness one. Okay, so oops, this is upside down. Sorry, I have it upside down. Okay, let me get this in the right order. All right, so this is right side up. Okay, so we have a weekly fitness plan. again, an area for you to put the date, the nutrition plan, your Monday through Sunday meal plan, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And then you have a little hydration habit tracker on the side. So, and then in the back, something different. So this one is a weekly fitness plan where you can put out your workout plan and then your calories burned on the side. So that can be your little fitness planner section. Okay, then next I have, this one is a half sheet, or a habits half sheet. They're all half sheets, but this one is for habits. Okay, so habit tracking. So we have this week's goals, the top 3, how I'm going to meet these goals, a little dot section here. Here you can put in your own habits and track them, a mood tracker, and then you can color in the moods there that you can keep track of. On the back, I really like these little trackers. We have a cleaning tracker, a medicine tracker, skincare routine, lettering practice, reading tracker, sleep tracker, and then a water fitness tracker here. Cute. Okay, so those are the habit half sheets. Okay, and then next, okay, this one would be good to take to grocery shopping. I usually take with me, this is a meal plan half sheet. Usually when I go to the grocery store, I usually take a planner, like a little notebook size one, mini, or a classic half sheet, skinny classic planner. But basically something small that I can take with me to the store, and this would be the perfect one. So you can do your meal planning on one side. You have Monday through Sunday, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. So we plan all your meals. And then on the back, you have a grocery list. I really like that it's sectioned off into areas because I find that I always forget to do that myself when I'm making a list. And then I'm always like realizing, oh no, I need to go back to the produce area at the beginning because I totally forgot something later in my list. So I like that it's sectioned off into produce, dairy, frozen, dry pantry, meats, bakery, and other. Okay, that's a nice little one that you could take with you to the store. So looking forward to using those. Okay, next I have a task list half sheet. Open this one up. So this one's a nice functional one. We have important tasks and then just a nice long checklist with lines for you to jot down all the important tasks. So that is this half sheet. Very simple, but a really nice half sheet to have on hand. Okay, next we have a reading half sheet. Okay, this one has a section for book reviews where you could put a picture of the book, title, author, genre, recommended by, start and end date, rating, and then your review. So you can have 2 on the front of this, and then you have some on the back too. Oh, you know what? I think I missed. I'm hoping I went through. Oh no. Did I go through? Okay. This one's the only one I'm noticing had something different on the back. Okay. So this one had a bunch of book reviews here. And then it goes into, thankfully I noticed this, into a reading tracker, a few reading trackers. More pages are of the book review, and then you have reading trackers here. So this is a nice little bookshelf that you can put the books you read and then color them in, and that is double-sided. Okay, so those are the book ones, the reading ones here. Pretty cute. Okay, next we have weekly faith, so a faith weekly half sheet. Open this one up. Okay, so this one is for faith planning. So you have weekly faith plan, verse of the day, Monday through Sunday. And on the back, you have Bible study, notes, and prayer on that section. And it looks like all of them are like that. Okay, so that is the faith weekly half sheet. And then next, a cleaning plans half sheet. This one. So the first side has a weekly cleaning plan. So here's your cleaning plan, Monday through Sunday, and then a little checklist on the side. And on the back, you have your tasks that you could be doing: make bed, take out trash, laundry, dishes, wipe kitchen counters, wipe kitchen table, declutter as needed, sweep as needed, tidy up, clean sink, and then you have a weekly cleaning checklist here. And then you have an area where you can write in your own stuff. Okay, and it looks like all the same on that one. Okay, so that is the cleaning plans half sheets. Okay, and the last two are just going to be some just filler paper, which I love using these kinds of papers. Super handy to have. So this one is dot and lined half sheets. So here we have the lined, and then on the back we have dot grid. Love dot grid. That's actually my favorite. So love seeing that in there. And then we have, this one says planner half sheets. Looks like, oh, okay. So this one, oh, it's a half sheet planner. How cute is that? Okay, so we have a monthly section. I wasn't expecting that. And then here is the weekly layout. You have a section here that's just dot grid, and then you have Monday through Sunday. So you can have your own half sheet planner here. Cute. And that one is, it's a 6-month undated planner. Okay, so that's cool. I thought it was just going to be dot grid, but it's a planner. It's a little mini planner right there. Okay, so those were all of the half sheets. We had the planner. We have just some regular paper ones, the cleaning sheets, the faith ones, reading. That was really nice. A task list, so just these checklist ones. Meal plan, habits, little habit trackers, fitness, and daily plans. Lots of options for you to choose from when it comes to what you would want to include in your planner setup. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a little, I'm going to set some of these up in my little half sheet here. I kind of want it to just be like a notes kind of. I don't want it to be like too plannery. Yeah, I want it to be something that I can like keep on the kitchen counter and just kind of jot down things in really quick. So I'm thinking, okay, I'll use some daily plans. Definitely the meal plan for sure. A cleaning one. That one's definitely needed. I'll do this important tasks, and then I think just some paper in this thing. Yeah, I think that's a good start. And I'm not going to put all of this in at once because that's way too much. So I'm just going to have to kind of section things off. All right, so I'm going to get the first divider here. It's always fun starting this off. Okay, and then I think the first section, I want it to be just a task list. So I'm just going to grab a few of these to add in here. I'm not going to add the whole pack, just a decent amount, and I can refill it as needed. Pop these in. I need a smaller stack. Okay. That's the first one. I just like having lists, especially in that area. Like sometimes I'll need to jot something down. Oh, I always have ideas of things I need when I'm in the kitchen cleaning. Like something will just pop into my head. So this will be a nice place for me to write that down. Okay, let's do the next section here. And this one is going to be, I feel like I should do meal plan stuff because that's another thing I'm always like trying to figure out in that area. Okay, so meal plan here. Just some of these. I'm gonna have to put more in these, but I just kind of want to start it off and see, and then fill it up. Okay, so add these in. Okay, the next little divider. Okay, and then next I want to do this cleaning one. I feel like I need to get better about being on a schedule of stuff just to check off for the day so it doesn't fall behind. And I really want to try to get the bulk of cleaning done, not on the weekend, because I feel like my whole weekend is just consumed with errands, laundry, and cleaning. Tends to be my weekend. So it'd be nice to get some of it done during the week after work. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put these little daily sheets because sometimes, like I said, some days are a little bit busier than others. So I don't normally use daily sheets on the daily, but I like to use them on busier days. So I'll just pop some of these in the back just to have them. Okay, and now this isn't super full yet. I have 4 sections and I still have all of these sections. So if I was to do like the planner, I think if I did the planner, yeah, I would have enough to do a yearly planner with this if you got 2 of the packs of planner pages, and you could put your own planner together with this. But yeah, it's not super full. These discs are actually a decent size, so they can hold a decent amount. So I think I'm just going to pop in, oh wait, I forgot to do this one, sorry. My paper, my notes paper, basically. I want to do this one in the back. Okay, so let's do, I can do another divider. Actually, I might do lined, and then, oh, actually I want to do, yeah, lined and then dot grid. I could section them off. Okay, and let me get another divider to have here and do the dot grid, my favorite. Okay. Actually, with that, I think it's a decent amount in here now. So I'm kind of happy with that. Okay, so there's my little planner that I'm going to keep in my kitchen on my counter, basically, to go through. So I have important tasks that I can list things out, again, things that pop into my head that I don't want to forget, and I can just jot it down here and then take care of it. And then here will be the weekly meal plan. So that'll be nice to have in this little planner, this little half sheet planner. And I love that grocery list. That's such a good grocery list. And then we have the cleaning plan here. And then next I have a daily sheet if I need it. And then I have some lined paper and notes papers, or dot grid paper in the back. So just note paper in the back. Okay, that's really cute. Okay, so that is the new half sheet collection from Kellofaplan. I just think this is a really cute idea. I like that you can customize this, pick up whichever half sheets you will work in your life, and be able to put them all into your own little half sheet little planner here. It's super cute. I plan on labeling these with some alphabet stickers, I think. But for now, I think it looks pretty nice, really cute. Happy with that. Again, if you are interested in purchasing any of these items, they did release today, so definitely check them out with my affiliate link down in the description. I hope you enjoyed watching me flip through all these things and set up my own little half sheet planner, little notebook. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.